Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Okta Verify to new phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is download and install Okta Verify from the App Store or Google Play Store, and once you have downloaded it, simply tap on it or tap on open to open it. Then once you are here, what you need to do is enroll Okta Verify on your new phone. Simply log into your Okta account on a computer or browser. Then go to your account settings or security settings. Then once you're inside there, choose the set of multi-factor authentication or add Okta Verify. Then you will be shown a QR code. Simply open the Okta Verify app on your new phone and then tap on add account or scan QR code. Then simply scan the QR code on your computer screen and Okta will verify and generate a 6-digit code. Simply enter the code on the Okta website when prompted to verify, and your new phone is now registered. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.